guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? It is day 3 in Dubai and we are at Dubai Mall. I thought it's coming beside it. But I don't know if you can see somewhere behind me, that is Burj Khalifa. I hope you guys can hear me. Let's go to Dubai Mall. Those are all Emaar buildings. That over there is a Dubai frame and that is Burj Khalifa here. The sun looks so pretty, but down we got the traffic, we got the buildings. I got some amazing photos here with the Burj Khalifa there and everything. Now we're headed down to the mall. The cars here, obviously we all know it's like amazing here, but this is such a not normal thing for me, but it's such a normal thing here that I don't know, very different feeling. And the buildings, I'm a city girl, so I like it, but it's also like all grey tone and no life kind of thing. My shoes don't match my outfit because they told me I need to walk a lot, so I chose comfort over style when it came to my shoes. It looks pretty weird, but it's fine. Look at that, guys, those are all tea cups. I can see Sephora in front, but all these brands are just wow. We're here at Tim Hortons and I'm gonna try their Nutella donut, and she's gonna try Oreo donut. There's also cakes here. I got a Nutella donut from Tim Hortons. Encia got an Oreo donut. Oh no, we didn't get the Oreo. We got the pistachio milk cake. I'm gonna try a milk cake for the first time. I got a hibiscus rose cooler. I hope it's good, and I think there's a latte also. I'm gonna show you guys. This is the pistachio milk cake that we got. My hibiscus rose cooler, a latte, and I think my donuts in there. How it is? Very yummy. I'm going to try my donut now. It's empty on the inside, and for someone who loves Nutella, I wish it was all over here. When you bite it first, it kind of tastes dry because it's only almonds and the bread. There's no chocolate when you first bite it, but it's okay. It's kind of okay. I'll enjoy it. I'm going to try my hibiscus rose cooler. It's just like soda mixed with some like strawberry powder or something. It doesn't have a distinct taste. For time pass it is okay. I'm gonna try this milk cake now. The milk. Very soft. If you like pistas, you will like this. It's very fresh and the milk also tastes really good. You should definitely try this. The amount of people waiting here for this fountain show that's going to happen here in front of the Burj Khalifa. That's the Burj Khalifa there. That there. It's like overwhelming. There's so many people here waiting for the show. The show happens, I think, in every half an hour. So you get to see it quite a lot. So we're waiting here for the show to start. There are a lot of people waiting here. There's people waiting over there all the way in line for the show. Up there, down here, that side, even there. It's a lot of people. And almost done with this.
31,400 metric tons.
We have been waiting for like half an hour now for the show, but it's not starting. We're just waiting for the show to start. It's the Burj Khalifa at the back. And these are all the people waiting. After waiting for almost more than an hour, we got to see the fountain light show, whatever that was. Now we're back in the mall. We're gonna go to the lighting here is so good. We're gonna go to the aquarium. I'll take you guys there. We are here at the mandatory falling man waterfall thing that everybody posts when they are in Dubai. Obviously, I will also do it. Why not? We are here at the aquarium. It's behind me here. I don't know if you guys can see, but those here are like huge ones. Like the camera can't do justice, but they are very, very huge, these corners. There's one there, see, and there are I think two here.
No, there one was the three.
Look at this guy, so big. See?
The straight is sitting behind her.
We are going towards the main entrance of Dubai Mall. Now this here, my god, just look at it. Look at all this. Just look at the lineup of cars. Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Porsche, again a Rolls-Royce. I think that's another Bentley there. Check this out. Dream car. Yeah, I heard. Check out this Bentley. It has such a cute color. That's a G-Wagon. Another one of my favorite cars. And we got more in front. Let's go there. So there is another RR there. And I think there's G-Wagons. Ooh, let's go behind and check it out. What is that? What is this? Comment down below and tell me which car is this. But this, my dream car, along with the back one. Damn, look at the cars here. That sounds so good. We got a Lamborghini Urus here. We're gonna check one G-Wagon which is there. It's quite a big one, but damn, look at the Lamborghini Urus. Of course, a Range Rover. And that's the G-Wagon we're going to check out now. There's a bracelet I really want from Cartier. Right now I don't have the money for it, but I will come back and buy it. Manifesting all this. We can do skating over here. There are kids skating, also adults skating. For all you Lego heads, here's a Lego store. Check this out. I don't know what is this place, but just look at it, it's so cool. So this is a haunted house, it seems. Looks pretty cool. We found the older version of Groot and that thing on his shoulder. I don't know what it's called. Hey, Annabelle. Now this is a purchase I would love to make. Annabelle. There's Chucky also. For all the Harry Potter fans. Check this out. It's like the city upside down or something. And I think this is a game zone. Oh, this is the entry to the game zone. There's a game zone in there. But this looks so cool. This is a mirror maze. I went to one in Bombay if you guys watched the vlog, but it looks pretty interesting. This is a movie theater, very different from our regular Inox that we have back in Goa. This is very bougie. This is the other side of that thing. We were there in the last clip and now we're this side. So we were there and that side, so now we're under the lights. This looks so cute. Here are the neon signs. It looks so cool. I'm missing my pets back home looking at this. The cute cats and the doggies. I miss my pets. This is making me miss my cats back home so much. Damn, they're so cute.
What entertainment?
Can you guys see that? He's making noodles, I guess. He's tossing it in the air. We reached a place where there are all Korean restaurants and stuff. See this one. This one's a Chinese restaurant. Look at it, it looks so cute. We're here at this Chinese food court and I got some dumplings. They're actually chicken and Chinese cabbage dumplings. I'm excited to try them. They're for 30 dirhams and there are 15 pieces in it. Now obviously if you convert it, it's going to be expensive in rupees, but I think for dirhams it's quite cheap, 15 of them. And I think that's the quantity here because I checked out another place and they were 15 too. It's quite a big plate, 15 dumplings. And we also got some rice and something else which I will show you guys. I'm here actually sitting, booking the place, doing the very Indian thing to do, saving a spot for us, and they are getting some more food. I'll show you guys the food once it's here. So this is a plate for 32 dirhams.
Yeah.
This is a plate for 32 dirhams. This is, you get to choose like rice or noodles and sides, 2 sides. So this is sweet and sour chicken, which we had our eyes on for a long time. And this is, I think, beef stir fry, and that's some rice. I don't eat beef, but Ensel's gonna try it and tell you guys how it is. How it is.
The beef with the rice tastes very nice. If you eat the rice plain, and suppose you have not tasted this Korean food before, then you will not like the rice. It's a little dry.
So the rice is a bit dry on its own, but with sides it tastes better, it seems. I am trying the sweet and sour chicken. So this is a bowl called Dan Dan noodles, and I will explain what is all this.
These are white meat.
White chickpeas,
This is beef keema.
beef keema,
And this is spinach.
spinach with I think noodles.
And noodles are there underneath over here. And some
Sauce.
yeah.
I'm definitely gonna eat the chickpeas. This is my plate of dumplings, the 15 dumplings that I told you. It's come with vinegar and chili sauce and chopsticks. Fun fact, I'm actually good with chopsticks. I learned it on my own. So let's try them out today. Here are the chopsticks. Let's eat them. I'm eating with chopsticks of actually years, but I haven't lost the practice, which is good. So let's try my dumplings. Okay, this is difficult. Okay. These are actually good. They're really good.